We're on a popular test route for the Hornchurch Test Centre, turning left onto Station Lane. ALFIE'S Driving School offers expert driving lessons in Hornchurch with both manual and automatic drive instructors. Whether you are a complete beginner wanting to learn to drive in Hornchurch or you just need some refresher lessons, we have you covered. Ahead we have the Hornchurch Driving Test Centre to our left. As you can see, there's some learner cars wanting to move away from the test centre. Just being cautious of that car wanting to move away. Further ahead, as you can see, there's a pedestrian crossing. There's an island in the middle, so that is 2 crossings. Ahead we have the Hornchurch train station. Further ahead there is a parade of shops. Always be cautious as cars can pull out, doors can open, or pedestrians can walk out onto the road. Also be cautious with the cyclists. When going past the cyclists, just checking our mirrors, making sure it's 5 feet distance. Ahead we've got the Hornchurch train station to our right. Further ahead we have another pedestrian crossing. Thanks for watching. Book your driving lessons in Hornchurch with ALFIE'S Driving School today. Our slots fill up fast, so get in touch to secure your drive instructor today.